All right, we're at 550 Oak Alley. The homeowner asked us to come over here because she's got to repair either 5 to 17 shingles on the front of the house. And we did a repair over there and we struggled with it as in the past. Because A, some of them were stuck together so hard that it actually damaged the shingle just trying to get them separate. And then B, when we went to putting the shingles back, had problems with the other shingles around it. So we'll try this one out. Kind of like this. I mean, I don't think any of these shingles were actually in on the insurance man's adjustment, and that's loose. That shingle's falling out. One over there broke. Back down. Which really, you got this one messed up, then you got some up here messed up. So for them to count and go, oh, there's one and there's two, no there ain't. This whole little section's got to come up, man. You got this, you got that broke. Over here you got this. And this is on the front where he said there was 5 bad shingles. Hell, there's over 5 right here. And they like kind of solid rock hard. Too, kind of like, taking this nail out, it kind of punched a hole up, and it also caused a crack in the shingle. I kind of felt it when it cracked, but I'm gonna keep moving. So, which means in reality, yeah, I gotta go further up once I get this repair fixed, no matter what. These wasn't in his count. I mean, they should have been, because look at that, but I'm still trying to get down to this one. I don't think this shingle was in his count. And see how it was just slid up out of position? There's the one that was slid out. All right, cool. All right, we're gonna take a break right here. When we've got our caulk gun and everything, we'll be back.